Guys, LT Fit here, come to my new series called Do You Need a Health Coach? And in this series, we talk about all the different reasons why you might actually need a health coach. Now in today's video, we're talking about fats. Some people think fats are good and some people think fats are bad. Now if you think fats are bad, you probably could use a health coach, because fats are very important in your diet. Now, of course you have to get the right fats. You can't just be eating any type of fats and think you're doing fine. You can't eat a whole thing of cheese and call that your fats and think you're doing great. But if you're eating avocado oil, your nuts, and your coconut oil, coconut milk, avocado oil, stuff like that, now we're talking about healthy fats. Your body needs those things in abundance. You need the healthy fats. So if you think fats are bad, you probably need a health coach. I offer group health coaching and I offer one-on-one health coaching, but I would love to help you get fit. Have a great day.